Are you in need of converting EPUB files into PDF? Introducing SysTools EPUB to PDF Converter Tool. The best offline solution for batch conversion of EPUB files into high-quality PDFs without any data loss. Key features of the software. Export multiple EPUB files. Easily convert multiple EPUB files from any source into high-quality PDF format. Advanced PDF customization. Customize multiple PDF settings, including page layout, dates numbering, date filter, etc. Secure your documents. Set a password for each EPUB file individually or apply a common password for all converted PDFs. Preview before conversion. Ensure accuracy by previewing eBooks before starting the conversion process. To install the software, go to Google and search SysTools EPUB to PDF Converter. Click top search results with official SysTools website link. Once you're on the website, click on Download for Mac. Once install the software, launch on your Mac. You'll see an user-friendly interface for quick and efficient conversion. Next, import your EPUB files. Click on Add Files or Add Folder to select multiple EPUB files at once. This allows you to convert multiple ebooks in one go. You can see all the added EPUB files listed here, along with their file paths and details. If you're not satisfied with the added images, you can remove that by clicking on Remove or Remove All option. If you have any of the password-protected files, then enter the password in the password section. After that, click Next to continue. Before conversion, you can preview your EPUB file to check its contents and formatting. This ensures that everything looks perfect before proceeding. Click Next. In Header and Footer settings, enter the header text what you want to appear in header. Header position will be top middle. Enter footer text what you want to appear in footer. Choose footer positions what you want. In font settings, choose the font, font size, and font color. Page layout settings, set the margins from top, left, right, and bottom. Select the paper orientation. And also can select page size according to your need. Dates number, add dates numbers for organized document management, and set the date stamp position and format. Apply password protection to secure your PDF files. Next, choose where you want to save the converted PDF files. Click Change and select a destination folder of your choice. After all the settings, click Next. This window only appears if you choose to add password on output PDF files. Here, either apply the same password to all the exported PDF files or give them separate passwords one at a time. Now, it's time to start the conversion process. Click Export, and you will see the software has started the conversion process. When the conversion is complete, Export process completed successfully pops up. Click OK. Click View Report button to go to the destination folder, and we'll see the generated PDF files and export report. Your PDFs are now ready to use. And that's it. You have successfully converted EPUB files to PDF document. Check out the link in the video description to download the software. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next one.